Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the opposite. My name is YADO and I will guide you through this episode. Before we start into the content, I would like you to subscribe to the channel so you support us pretty much. I will appreciate it a lot. So now, what are we going to talk about? We will talking about eternity. We will talking about audios. And we will talking about AnySwap. Three very interesting projects. They are let's say on a special peaky point, so we'll having a look what I mean. Let's go. So this first one is Eternity Chain. So like you see, they had some pretty nice, very good growth since the start. So now they are kindly or closely a month old. Just one couple more days needs. But like you can see here, the growing was pretty nice. They did perform pretty well. So like you can see, this is the 12-hour chart. What we can see here is, this is, to me, it looks like it's a very strong support line all around here, but it even though looks like it going to a downtrend. Why is it so? Because the top out was definitely so, like you can see, and then it started to go down in a slowly motion. So what does this mean for you? It has to find a decision where it wants to go. If you want, I can show you on a triangle so you see it better if it's bigger. For now we are around here, let's say, and the second ones will be kindly here around. It looks strong, it looks supported, but for even though it was a very strong uptrend, at least it had 3 weeks of kindly, let's say, constantly growing. These dips were just nothing, at least, and I think it will happen. It will go down a little bit, it will correct. So that's my opinion, that's how it looks to me, and it will go anywhere between the $30 and $40 at least in the next 2 weeks, let's say. That's healthy, that's very good, because it finds, when it finds new support up there anywhere around, it will pump up again and it will grow with the second wave of this bull run. So everything's cool, this will perform pretty nice, and sometimes, let's say, a correction is something that it's need to be. Good, let's go to the next ones. Audios, like you see, since March it was kindly a crazy performance. It started to grow around February, but in March it made the bird fly. That's pretty nice, that's very cool. Now, like you can see, it looked like it wanted to bottom out. We'll see, I think we will meet up around the $3. It will have definitely a come down, a pullback around. Why is it so? Because this is healthy, this is need to be. Many people thinking this is to get killed or so on, but keep thinking, we're in crypto space. Crypto space is just kindly weird, but also the corrections and the pumps are much bigger as you will ever see it in stock market. Well, in stock market there are also some companies or investments that grow pretty fast and nice and so on, but in crypto space this is the daily weird crazy thing about. This is also the reason why many people are investing in crypto space, because you can grow much bigger on your take profit and on your financial retirement, let's say. And that's just cool, but also it is the other side. So it's kindly like you look in the mirror, you see yourself from the opposite. Good, let's have a look down into the buy and sellers. Like you see, they are pretty much mixed for now. That's also a way kindly a look for that it's not really knowing where it wants to go for the first, but definitely it will go, because time can't stop, but the way up or down can be changed, always. Good, now and let's go to our last ones. AnySwap. AnySwap is a pretty nice project so far. They have a lot of power. They had a pretty nice start in at the beginning of March. Volatile was crazy as every time it is in crypto space. Had some pretty nice pumps. And it looks like it wants to go in a grow. Why is it so? Because every red candle goes not much more down below the green candle before. At least this means there was kindly some bottom found here so far, like you can see, and now is a massive green candle. If there are too many massive candles serial way, this would mean also a definitely big follow up of many red candles into the downtrend. That's just how it is. This one looks to me like it really wants to go in a grow for just the next couple of time. Why is it so? Because it went very slowly down over the last days, so last 2 weeks, 3 weeks let's say, and now it looks like it wants to do the same, just in the other way. So this means upward. We'll see where it's going to meet up. To me it looks pretty strong and very cool, and I would be not surprised if we find it above the all-time high from this chart, so above the $4.6. So very nice if you ask me. Good, let's go to our Twitter channel. There you can see our last video before this episode were Aircoin and Dragon. Pretty nice projects. They really have the potential to go not just only big, they can grow very hardly. They have the power behind, and we'll see what they do at least. So I would say all these 3 projects are looking very nice. Eternity, I will wait definitely for the come down. They will find a lower bottom so far because the growing was very nice, very good, but everything needs to come back. Audio was also pretty nice, did also very well. Will also, in my opinion, find some lower range for the next week, I would say. And AnySwap will be the outperformer of these 3 projects for short term. I know this is all according to technical analysis, how I will do in over the next, let's say, 1 week to a month, so 4 weeks. But everything can be. I'm not a financial advisor, so these videos, I like to tell it, episodes are there for entertainment and showing you projects, maybe some projects with very high potential and new projects where we all don't know where they go, but they will go. And the more are investing, the more it will pump. So that's the point on it. Hope you had the luck from the opposite and enjoy your day.